Stove on, pans on the heat. Now for 2 or 3 garlic cloves, bit of oil in there, and now we're going with the spices. In with the beans, in with the tomato, bring that to a simmer. Fantastic. Ready to cook as soon as you're on the campsite. Hello, I'm Fell Foodie and I'm here in the Peak District with Campingaz, cooking up a nice little Moroccan style bean stew up on the Camping Kitchen 2 multi-cook. For this recipe you will need 1 white onion, 2 garlic cloves, 2 carrots, 2 celery sticks, 1 red pepper, a mix of cannellini and pinto beans, some chopped tomatoes, a stock cube, some tomato puree, some za'atar and fennel seasoning. Right, we're going to start this stew with a base of onion, celery and carrots. We're going to get this onion chopped up, fairly fine dice, but nothing too particular. Stove on, pans on the heat, bit of oil in there, and we'll get this diced onion on the go. Now we get these carrots peeled and chopped and in the pan. Right, and now the celery. And now for 2 or 3 garlic cloves, or a bit more if you really like it. So that base is cooking down nicely now. The flame guard technology keeping that wind away on this breezy day as well on this stove. And now we're going with the spices. So we've got a bit of za'atar in here, a bit of fennel, salt and pepper. And in that za'atar, you know, the sumac, the sesame through there as well. Beautiful flavours going through this. And then with a bit of tomato puree. And now last up with the chopping, get this red pepper chopped up nice and fine in that dish. And once those peppers are cooked off, in with the beans, in with the tomato, bring that to a simmer, ready to plate. And that's all in, so just a minute or 2 more, simmering away, ready to serve. Easy 1-pot dish. And then we'll top with this tahini yogurt, bit of olive oil, and some coriander on the top. And there we have it then, a Moroccan spice bean stew with some tahini yogurt and coriander, cooked up on the Camping Kitchen 2 multi-cook, available at Go Outdoors. Camp cooking made easy with Campingaz.